Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bikini razor is probably one of the most important tools for achieving a smooth and comfortable bikini area, and with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. This video will cut through the noise and help you find the perfect bikini razor to suit your skin type, hair texture, and personal preferences, ensuring a safe and effective hair removal experience every time. Number 5. Meridian Body Trimmer. It features a ceramic blade and guard system that trims hair just above the skin, leaving a smooth finish without irritation. Get a perfect trim in half the time of a traditional razor. Trim wet or dry. It's completely waterproof, so you can easily use it in the shower. It even cuts through thick, wet hair with ease. Whether it's your beard, legs, or more sensitive areas, it's quick and efficient. Get a perfect trim in 60 seconds or less, no matter where you need it. Designed for both men and women, it's safe and easy to use. The unique design prevents nicks and cuts, so you can trim with confidence. We stand behind our product. Your trimmer comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty and a no-nick guarantee. What we like? It provides a smooth finish without irritation, even when wet. Its waterproof design is perfect for showering. If you value speed and efficiency, this is the trimmer for you. What people say? This trimmer is so smooth, it's like the James Bond of grooming gadgets. No nicks, no cuts, and definitely no razor burn, just a sleek and hair-free me. With this razor I can shave anywhere. No razor burn. It's super cool. The blade is plastic. It really works. Baby smooth skin anywhere. No nicks, no cuts, no burn. The quality of the trimmer is really good and hefty. You can open the guard and clean out hair inside of it. It's also waterproof, so I use it in the shower. It's smooth and not loud. Number 4. Remington Smooth and Silky Kit. Get ready for flawlessly smooth skin with the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit. It's the ultimate solution for precise hair removal and radiant skin. This cordless trimmer gives you complete control for quick and comfortable touch-ups. Trim with confidence, in or out of the shower. It's waterproof, so you can groom in or out of the shower for ultimate convenience. Find the method that best fits your routine. This cordless trimmer is designed for easy handling and operation. It's powered by a single AA battery, included. Achieve silky smooth results with the angled foil shaver, perfect for sensitive skin. The rotating exfoliator brush keeps your skin looking radiant. This kit is your all-in-one solution for smooth, radiant skin. Experience the ultimate in convenience and precision. What we like? This trimmer offers precise control for comfortable touch-ups. You can use it in or out of the shower for ultimate convenience. If you prefer a cordless and versatile option, this is a great choice. What people say? The trimmer and exfoliating head are wonderful. I've used them in and outside of the shower with no issue. The blades are sharp and really shaves everything off. It does what it's meant to do and is a good price. Not as powerful as a trimmer someone would use for their head, but works well for the bikini area. Number 3. Women's 4-in-1 Electric Razor. This innovative razor is designed to meet all your hair removal needs. It's versatile, gentle, and incredibly easy to use. It comes with 4 different heads, one for shaving, one for eyebrow trimming, one for nose trimming, and one for trimming other delicate areas. This means you can use it all over your body. The razor uses low-sensitivity stainless steel blades, ensuring a painless and irritation-free experience. Get a smooth, close shave without the discomfort. It's IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it wet or dry. Cleaning is a breeze, simply rinse it under running water. This compact razor is USB rechargeable, making it perfect for travel. Charge it using a USB adapter, laptop, car charger, or power bank. Say goodbye to unwanted hair with this versatile and convenient electric razor. It's the perfect addition to your beauty routine. What we like? It's a versatile tool with multiple heads for various needs. The gentle blades are safe for sensitive skin. If you want a multifunctional and waterproof option, this is ideal. What people say? I like that the product comes with different attachments that target different areas for hair removal. They are effective and easy to clean. My skin feels smooth after using the product, and it takes care of tiny hair as well. The battery lasts long enough and it is easy to charge. It is great that it is portable and I can carry it anywhere with me. A all-in-one shaver is great. Works just as it should. Convenient razors with different heads for all your needs. This product does exactly what it says, and it left my skin smooth to the touch. Easy and painless to use, didn't get any nicks or cuts. Love that you can use it for wet or dry shaving. Number 2. Flamingo Shaving Kit. Experience a superior shave with our complete shaving kit, designed for sensitive skin. It includes everything you need for a smooth, comfortable experience. It's been tested by dermatologists and gynecologists, ensuring gentle use on delicate areas. Rest assured, it's safe and effective. The razor features 5 blades and a flexible head for a smooth, close shave, even in hard-to-reach areas. The ergonomic grip handle provides excellent control. Prepare your skin with our gentle exfoliating shave gel. It's formulated with 5 fruit acids to remove dead skin cells and soften hair for a more comfortable shave. Finish with our restorative post-shave serum. It's infused with oat extract to reduce redness and ceramides and squalane to help restore your skin's natural barrier. All our formulas are pH balanced and free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Gentle on your skin and effective for a close shave. What we like. This razor is gentle on sensitive skin and provides a close shave. The included gel and serum enhance the shaving experience. If you prioritize a comfortable and complete shaving system, this is for you. What people say. I have insanely sensitive skin and gave up shaving a few years ago in exchange for waxing. Saw great reviews on this and gave it a try. I'm glad I did. No razor rash, no red bumps, no itching, no discomfort. These razors are well made, easy to use, and leaves my skin feeling smooth and clean. Love this razor. Shaves cleanly and no razor bumps. Number 1. Flamingo Women's Razor Refill. Experience a closer, smoother shave with our new razor refills. They're designed for sensitive skin and provide long-lasting results. These cartridges are dermatologist and gynecologist tested, making them gentle on even the most delicate areas. Enjoy a comfortable shave every time. With 5 blades, it delivers a close shave that lasts. Say goodbye to stubble and hello to soft, smooth skin. The slim cartridge and flexible head make it easy to reach and shave those hard-to-reach areas. Get a flawless shave, everywhere. Rest assured, these refills have undergone rigorous testing by dermatologists and gynecologists. It's designed for your comfort and safety. For the best results, use them with Flamingo's exfoliating shave gel and restorative post-shave serum. Complete your shaving routine for optimal smoothness. What we like. These replacement cartridges offer a close, long-lasting shave. The slim design allows for precision shaving. If you need replacements for a smooth shave, these are perfect. What people say. I have super sensitive skin and these razors help a lot to not give me razor burn. They are great, makes my wife's legs and other part nice and smooth. Did you know the blade covers are recyclable? I try to keep the fact in mind when ordering items I use daily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.